we have just gone through the Sentinel Hotel now. We saw an Ionic interior, which maybe someday we'll videotape. But we're now standing in front of basically a warehouse building, which has these horizontal type windows. Those are actually called Chicago windows. Whenever you see this wide expanse of window, it's generally, its origin is from Chicago. But can you guys tell me what order this is in and how you might know?
Retail.
No.
Online?
It is the same as the one we just talked about.
Ionic.
Doric. This is Doric. How do I maybe know that it's Doric?
Because of all the noise?
Yeah, it's the noise. No.
The capital?
There are 3 dots on the major columns at the end, and there are 2 dots on the smaller pilasters throughout the middle. These dots, I believe, are called rondels. We need to look that up. But they're indicative of the Doric order. And also, we have this very interesting... So, one of the great things about classical architecture is, and I think a modern architect would try to say, no, it needs to be reliant on a kit of parts. Well, classical architecture very definitely has a kit of parts. So here we have the Doric order as the pilaster for this building, and then the detail between the broad expanses windows is also a little miniature pilaster, which you see all over on these warehouse and office buildings from this period. And right above those little pilasters is a vertical rectangular detail, and on the bottom of that there's a little splay, and that is a super pared down triglyph. So there are triglyphs on this building, but they've just been artistically interpreted. So this is a Doric building, even though it's a warehouse building. Okay. We're gonna go across the street actually, and we're gonna look back at Jake's. This building attaches to the backside of the Sentinel Hotel, and this is an excellent kind of Art Nouveau, Cubist.
Is that being done tomorrow?
No, we're gonna do it right now.
No, I know that. But are they watching it tomorrow?
Yeah, you can watch. You'll watch tomorrow, live tomorrow. No, yeah. So let's go look at it.